Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here. Today I offer you this very simple but flavorful meatball recipe. I'm using this ground turkey. It is 99% lean, but you can use any meat of your choice, such as chicken, pork, beef, or even combination. So let's get started. On everything that goes into the meat. I have about this much of unpeeled ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 green onions whole, and we'll also use some white pepper. Try to make it as fine as possible, but at the same time I don't mind biting into a piece of onion or garlic, so my preference is about this. I think I'm gonna use a half of this ginger, not the whole thing. So here's the meat. Let's add onion, garlic, ginger right in. About a tablespoon of white pepper. And 1 egg. Notice I'm not using any salt here because I will finish it up with the sauce that will be soy sauce based. So it's going to be salty. Of course, to your preference, you can add some. Now go in and mix everything together very well. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this, return back to refrigerator while my oven is preheating at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Right before it is ready, we'll form some meatballs. Oven is almost there. I have a sheet with parchment paper here. So let's go in and make some meatballs. Just use a tablespoon, I think, for them to be all equal size. There you go. There you go, guys. So these are gonna go into 400-degree oven middle shelf for about 12 minutes. Well, 12 minutes was a major underestimate. I ended up cooking these for a total of like 25 minutes. But they definitely feel like they're done now. Also clean up some of this excess stuff that came out. And just let them sit here. Meanwhile, let's get on with our sauce. Okay, for the sauce, I have about 5 chili peppers, dry chili peppers just cut up. Gonna go in with 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. One tablespoon oyster sauce. Half tablespoon lime juice. 3 tablespoons water. A drizzle of sesame oil. And mix well. Give this a taste. Really nice. So now Let's preheat this pan, medium heat. From the cold, just go in with this to warm this up. Not sure if you can see, starts smoking a little bit or steaming. I'm gonna go in with the bowls. I don't want to burn this liquid. The sauce is quite light, so I'm just going to pour the rest of it on top of the bowls. Let's plate it and we'll see how it is. Well, let's give them a try. It smells great. Very nice. Light, flavorful, healthy, and most importantly, delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, wish you all the best. Take care. Till the next time. Thank you so much for watching.